You gonna get the car? Niall's asleep still, so he won't know if you get it. There it is. Go ahead. There you go. Oh my goodness, look at that crawl. Look at that crawl. Oh, don't tell Niall. You got his car. Here, can you come farther? Look, come a little farther. Mommy's mean. Can you get it? Get the car. Wow. Good job, Cassius. Good job. Now eat it. What do you think? Hey, Shishi, what do you think? Tired?